In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to place order, ship, chat, and pay suppliers on 1688. We'll go from first message to final delivery so you can buy confidently and avoid costly mistakes. Start by opening the product page and tapping Lianxi Maijia, which means contact seller. Use the in-platform chat to confirm key details before you buy. Ask if the item is in stock, the minimum order quantity, the material or quality level, when it will ship, and whether they can share real photos or a short video. Keeping all communication inside 1688 protects you, since it's recorded and can be used for support if there's an issue. When you're ready to order, select the exact options you need, like color, size, or model. Enter your quantity and make sure it meets the seller's MOQ. If you're comparing several items, choose Jia Rujin Hodan to add to cart. If you're ready to proceed with just this item, choose Liji Go Mai to buy now. At checkout, open your Jin Hodan, tap Kujia Suan, and choose Zhifu Bao or Alipay as the payment method. Confirm the payment inside Alipay. Your money is held in escrow until you receive the goods as described, which is why you should never pay outside the platform. Add your shipping details in My Account under shipping address. Most sellers on 1688 ship domestically within China only, so enter your freight forwarder's Chinese warehouse address and double-check the phone number and city. This ensures your packages reach the warehouse smoothly. To track progress, go to My Orders. You'll see statuses like Dai Fa Huo for waiting to ship and Yi Fa Huo for shipped. Tap Cha Kan Wu Liu to view logistics updates. This tracking covers the journey to your China warehouse, not the international leg. Once your warehouse receives the goods, work with your forwarder to send them to your country. Choose air for speed or sea for cost savings, pay the international shipping invoice, and track delivery using the forwarder system. A few critical don'ts: don't pay via WeChat or bank transfer, don't confirm receipt before inspection, don't place bulk orders without sampling first, and don't move conversations off 1688 chat. If something goes wrong, go to My Orders and tap Shenqing Tuiquan or Weiquan to open a refund or dispute. Upload clear evidence such as photos, videos, and chat records showing what was promised versus what arrived. If needed, escalate to customer service and make sure you file before the order auto-confirms. Follow these steps and you'll shop on 1688 with confidence, clarity, and protection from start to finish.